I'm Jay Cashmere in the newsroom right now. Following some breaking news in Martin County, a 13-year-old student was arrested for making a school threat on social media. Let's take a look at what they've posted tonight here. Late this evening, the Martin County Sheriff's Office was made aware of this written threat posted to social media from a student who referenced bringing a gun to Murray Middle School in Stewart tomorrow, taking it out at 11. The post circulated among parents and students, causing a tremendous amount of concern. Martin County's Sheriff's School Resource Officers and detectives quickly acted on this threat. They were able to track the source. They responded to the student's home. As a result, this 13-year-old was arrested and charged with written threats to kill or do bodily harm. The student admitted to authoring the message, but said that he was joking. He is currently, right now, being taken to the Martin County Jail to be processed. We are following this developing story as we speak. As we get more info, we'll bring it to you. Back to you, Michael.
Jay,